Okay, so I'm just gonna remove some of this liquid. Here it is. So once I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and flip the chicken over. But this is vegetable, not a lot. You can gonna use some ginger. Ginger give it a nice taste. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead, guys, and pour in the liquid here. All of it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some ketchup, not a lot. Don't want too much. This is brown sugar. You can use it, all up to you. The chicken from the oven. Let us go ahead and look at our creation. Right, so I'm gonna remove it. I'm trying to be very careful. Look at this. Oh my god, I can't wait to try it. It smells so good, so good. Have a great day. Bye guys.